Hello guys, how are you guys? Today I'm back with Siren spell again. I want to see something. We have 15 rand. So guys, I said I won't be playing with 50 cent, but you know Siren spell is killing us. So that's why sometimes I will play it. But I will try with 50s, 150 now. And then I will just do an auto spins. Maybe we can get some bonus quickly or something so good fast. I want to see if something. It's been a while I was not playing this game. So I want to see something today, guys, if it can be on our side, if we can grab something with this 150. But you know I love buying bonus, so I'm just checking what's happening so far. Yes, okay, I was about to stop it, guys, because I thought I'm getting killed. So let's see how much it's going to give us. Is 75 rand. Okay, it's fine, I will take that. We're gonna continue it because it did the good job with 150. I never got a bonus spinning in 150, guys. I don't want to lie to you guys, but today, can we get it today? Yes, finally I asked for the bonus and it came. So let's see if this bonus today it will pay me, because I've been playing this game, I've been losing and losing, I've been wasting money in this siren spell. Let it be my day today, guys, and let's see if it will be possible. It must not play us dirty. Even if I don't open the whole, like all the levels, all I want is one thing. I just want to have a very good win. That's all I'm asking for. But it seems like it's not doing anything so far, guys. 5. I don't see anything happening here. Okay, I don't know what is the meaning of that, but we can call this a big win. But let's see where it's going to take us. We're gonna have 45 rand. We'll take that into account. All I want is my money back, but it didn't give me what I deserve. So what I'm gonna do, it seems like it's hot on. Let me just keep, I wanted to increase to 250, but it looks like it's very hot. It looks like it's hot with 1 rand 50. Can I just get all wild guys, all 5 ladies? Can they just appear today to say, oh, you have been losing your money, just take what you deserve? Can they do that to us today? All right. All right, guys, look at these ladies. What are they doing to us? Yes, finally again we got the bonus. So let's hope this bonus will pay, guys, because we are supposed to get more than, at least if we say something paid here, it must be above 70, the amount of, if we could have bought this bonus. So but it seems like as if it's dead, guys. You do see this? No. Again, guys, siren spell is not paying. Imagine, it's just a waste of bonus. This is just a waste of bonus, guys. This is just a waste of bonus. Let's see what will happen. Nothing is happening. Imagine. Imagine. Just imagine. Just imagine. Siren spell, what are you doing, Matt? What are you doing with our feelings? Siren spell is dead, guys. This game, it used to pay too much. I was just testing it, but I thought maybe it's gonna be fine. It's like, just because I didn't buy the bonus, I don't have to get anything. I don't deserve it. Just imagine. You know what, guys? I'm going to buy for 50 rand. I don't care. Let's see what will happen. Let's see what will happen with this amount. Okay, it's talking to me. I think it's talking to me now. What do you think? It's talking to us, guys. It's talking to us. I think it's communicating. Okay, I think it's trying to communicate. I don't know what is it communicating, because we are losing. So far, let's see what is going on, guys. We haven't returned back that money we had. We cannot be happy. All right. Okay, it's communicating now. It's trying to communicate. Let's see this communication, what's all about. To Siren spell, and indeed it's a big win. We're gonna take it, but we are not yet where we want. You know where I want. Can it do it? It seems like this, when it does this, I don't know if it's gonna have a combination. There is no combination so far. I'm gonna press it here. It's too fast. It's too fast. It's too fast. Okay, there is still a hope, maybe. Yeah, there is still a hope if it can do the job. There is still a hope. There is still a hope, guys. If it can do the right job. It seems like it's failing. Seems like it's failing. It's failing. It failed, but we managed to make a profit. But I don't know if I should call that a profit, or should I call it a profit? All right. Okay, let's see if we're gonna get something. It's a very big win, guys. 42 rand. I'm gonna take it. Okay, it's trying, but all right, it's trying, yeah, a little bit. It's just trying, not too much. Let me allow it. Let me allow it. Alright guys, I'm going to stop here with my profit. I don't want to mess up. This time I'm ending my videos with profit. I want to and withdraw my money. Even if I'm gonna take 50 rand every day, it cost me to take 50 rand. I'm gonna take it every day until all my money is back. Thank you guys for watching, and if you're a new member, do not forget to smash the like button and the subscribe button. I love you guys. Bye.